Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Welcome to the best trading channel on YouTube. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an entry point that we took yesterday on Tesla. We're going to talk about why we're in it, kind of my mentality, the strategy, all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. We have a awesome holiday sale for 4th of July. It ends today. Code FREEDOM for 50% off. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, or group chat. But more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years. So click that link, sign up, and guys, let's dive into this. So when it comes with swing trading, day trading, whatever type of trading you are doing, you have to have realistic expectations. This is the number one thing that I commonly see new traders do is they fund an account with $100, they grow it, they take a trade, it grows to 110 or 105 or whatever it is, and then they don't take profit, right? They expect that $100 to turn into $1 million, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 in 30 days. When in reality, if you make 3% per month, you're in the top 5% of all traders in the entire world. So yeah, $100, 3%, $3. Yeah, it's not much money-wise, but percentage-wise, you're doing things very, very, very well. So you got to understand that, and I can't stress it enough. But all right, enough with me ranting. Let's talk about the trade that we took on Tesla. So, looking at the daily here with Tesla, you guys can see that Tesla had this beautiful upward trend, right? Where it would hit these points of, supports. And then we had buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, and then recently hit it again. So it had several instances of getting a lot of good buying pressure out of this. We also had the RSI trading for 39, which the last time it was trading for 39 was back in here where we saw a nice little move. Previous to that was in here where we saw this good move and then this move. So we had a good indication that we're on a support line and the RSI is at previous levels of getting buying pressure, which is very important. The next thing I look for is going to be the overall entry point, right? So what I do is I will most of the time go to that hourly trend line. You guys can see that Tesla was forming just this downward trend line, hitting this set of resistance several times and just getting a lot of sell off here. So it would hit it, sell off, hit it, sell off. Now, you guys can see that it formed this new trend line. And kind of what I do is I just throw an alert above this. So as Tesla sells off, we can just move our alert right above this. So when it pops up, we're notified for that entry point, right? So now, let's look at that RSI again. Okay, it's trading at a 35, 24, all good numbers. Also, we look at the MACD. The MACD really helps with good entry points. So the second that this stock popped above that trend line, that was our entry point near and around the 301 area. My thought process was this: entering on that breakout, keeping our stop loss just below that trend line support for a possible push up to that mid 330 range. Gives a nice risk and reward of about 3.5 to 4 to 1, meaning I'm risking $1 to make $3 to $4, which is really good. And with this type of trade, you could be wrong 2 or 3 times and still be profitable and still make money. So now, as the stock is just continuing to climb up and up and up, what we did is we removed that trend line here and we are drawing out this little stop loss here. So if it dips down, we're locked in guaranteed profit. And then, if it forms a nice little move going up again, we'll just continue to move our stop loss up and up and up and up, depending on the trade. It's a simple strategy using that daily time frame with nice support, moving to the hourly here for a breakout strategy. You guys can see it just broke out of that trend. And the MACD here, as we zoom in, you guys can see it had that really nice crossover right here where we had that blue line break up through that that orange line break up through the blue line, which is a really good entry point. So it popped up, rallied its way up, right? Really good entry point. So now we're just holding out, watching the stock climb higher and higher. But one of the most common questions I get asked is, what's the broker I use? I'll put a link to them down below. The broker is Moomoo. I absolutely love them. So click that link and sign up. They're the sponsor of this video. They're awesome. So make sure you guys sign up with them. But yeah, other than that, that's how I trade. Keeping it simple, basic trend lines, basic moving average lines. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.